Malapit yung tambay, kaya nakapunta. What's up, Oldractions? Wow, this is your boy Oldrac, back at it again for another episode of Oldrac Motovlog. And today, yes, today, we're going to meet up with some members of Z200S. Actually, ano siya, Grand Tambay kung tawagin. And we're going to meet up in C5 Extension, Petron. So it's been a while since tumambay ako kasama nitong club na to. Kasi sobrang busy nga tayo lately talaga. And you know, so yeah, it's been a while since nakasama ako dito nakasama sa tambay ng club. Well, isa lang naman yung moto club ko, which is the Z200S Enthusiast. So I heard na maraming pupunta. Sana nga, maraming pupunta from different chapters like North, South, West. So I'm kinda excited to meet them all again kasi medyo matagal na talaga. So ang oras ng meetup is 5. The tambay starts at 5 pero it's already 5:30 and medyo traffic dito sa way na dinaanan ko, which is the Naga Road. Pero malapit lang kasi ito sa amin, yung C5 extension, kaya it's okay. Oh, today is Sunday. Tomorrow, trabaho na naman tayo. So, for all you guys na bagong subscriber, well, welcome. Welcome to my humble channel. And thank you po sa pag-subscribe and panonood ng aking mga videos. Well, speaking of videos, I hope na panood nyo na yung latest upload ko, which is the return of Oldractions. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out nyo na lang yung link itong sa taas ng video na to. Well, I think itong meeting na to na inorganize ng ZEP, officers is sa tingin ko pag meetingan nila yung major ride na gagawin nila. I don't know kung saan ba yun, pero I think it's a charity ride para sa mga nasalanta ng bagyo. Kagandahan lang talaga dito sa club na to is sobrang active ng grupo. That's why, you know, marami silang organize sa mga ganitong klaseng ride, lalo na yung mga charity ride, guys. So I salute sa mga officer members ng ZEP talaga. I'm proud to be a member of ZEP, well, one of the elite members of ZEP. So yes, again, I'm so excited to meet them. And sana maraming South crew rin na pumunta kasi I belong to South crew, which is here in Southside. Well, oh, segue lang. Mga future plan ko, guys, is I'm planning to, you know, do a major maintenance with this bike kasi it's been a while since nagkaroon tayo ng upgrades or fix na para ma-maintain natin pa yung ganda ng takbo nitong motor natin, guys. I'm trying to have a decent time to do it kasi again, sobrang busy tayo nung una sa trabaho kasi yun ang priority natin, trabaho, pamilya muna tayo, guys. So yun nga, I plan na ipa-check yung makina ko and everything na kailangan i-check, yung mga dapat palitan, dapat mapalitan na kasi sobrang, you know, again, araw-araw natin gamit tong motor natin, so kailangan din natin i-maintenance to. Sobrang sulit kasi talaga ng pagkabili ko dito, guys. I had to think of it, 50 kilometers every day ako for 5 days, 50 kilometers. Kahit sino naman, kahit tao naman gamitin mo araw-araw na 50 kilometers, mag-wear off din yung mga kagandahang parte. So one of these days, gusto kong daanan si Doc. You know, Doc, my doctor here for my motor. So siya lang yung trusted na mechanic ko. Sa kanya ko lang pinapahawak tong motor na to. At syempre, kung may extra budget lang tayo, tsaka lang natin magagawa yun, guys. Well, back to the main topic. I'm almost near na sa meetup place. So hopefully hindi ako ganun kaaga. Sana marami na rin tao. Segway lang again, guys. Dito yung ipapadaan LRT connecting Bulacan to Quezon City yata. I don't know. Oh my god. Saan kaya pwede mag-U-turn dito? Oh, sa ilalim ng Sukat Bridge. Okay. So here we are na. So I'll be back na lang ulit later guys. So, welcome back guys. Yes, nauna na akong umuwi sa kanila kasi may pasok tayo bukas medyo late na, which is 8:30 pa lang, pero kailangan natin matulog ng maaga. Oh well, nag-enjoy naman ako at nakita ko ulit yung members ng Z200S, and yun nga, nakakatuwa kasi ang daming pumunta, ang daming bagong members and maraming bagong muka na sali na sa Z200S community. And yun, pinag-usapan yung mga agenda para sa upcoming ride, which is the charity ride for yung mga nasalanta ng bagyo sa Bicol region. So yun, hopefully sana marami sumama sa ride na yun para marami rin makatulong. Pero ang kinda negative sa pagkasama sa ride na yun kasi again, sobrang busy tayo guys. Wala pa muna tayong oras sa mga ride. So yun, hopefully nag-enjoy kayo sa episode na to. Hopefully nakikita nyo pa yung hindi nadaanan ko kasi gabi na. And again, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can share this video as well to your friends. Or if you're a member or a user of Z200S by Motorstar, please feel free to share this. And also feel free to watch my other videos here in my channel. Again, this is your boy Allrock Motovlog signing out. Peace out. I'm out.